Hey guys, this is a lesson I would use when teaching students base 10 understanding. So to begin with this activity, you come over here and you can see the problem. It's 4 plus 9. What we have is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where the 4 comes from. And we come down here and then we have 9 little squares. So that's where the 4 plus 9. So let's say your students don't know where to start with this. They don't know how to add 4 plus 9. The first thing they would do is to see if any of this adds up to 10. And how they can easily see that is if they box in the little squares, it will automatically put 10 of those little squares into a 10 size block. And then once you have this, you move this over to the 10s. And then you can see what happened to our problem here. We have 13. So that means we have 10 of the little ones. So we have a 10 block plus 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. But let's say you don't like the given problem. Say you want to create your own problem. So what you can do is you can come up here to the create problem. You click on that. And let's say for the sake of time, I put the 2 over here, and then I say 1, 2, 3, so I have my 3 plus 2, and so the kids, and you can say begin problem, and now what you see is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now since none of this equals 10, what you do is you just move them up all onto the one side, and now the kids can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get this answer. So that is some pretty simple addition, but let's say we want to do something a little harder. So as you can see, this is a little bit more difficult problem. We have 784 plus 208. So what the kids would start first was obviously you would start with the ones. So you come over here to your ones, and just like before, you box them in to see if we can get a 10 bar out of it. So you box it and you see we can get the 10. And you can see over here that carried the 1 from us. So we're carrying 1 over to the 10s. So now we have the 2, which you can see here. And then what you do from here is you box in here to see if you can get the 10s to combine to hundreds, which we don't because we only have 9 of them, which you can see here. So then you come over to the hundreds, and if you see if you have 10 hundreds to make 1,000. So you box in the hundreds over here. They do not combine. So you know that your answer is 992 because you have 9 of these, you have 9 hundreds, you have 9 tens, and 2 ones.